Hello my besties and Amores, welcome back to another episode of Painting with TSMA Epaggelia, and you are watching the official YouTube channel of the Sexy Music Assassins. So before we start, please follow all my TSMA family on smile.com. They're all amazing singers. So on today's video, we are going to do a double reverse dip, okay? So we already painted our canvas black. So this is a collaboration with Michaels. Alright, so we are going to use Sargent Art, okay? All Sargent Art paint and all artist love. Alright. So these are from Michael's store. So let's start. So before you paint, alright, make sure you shake the bottle first. Alrighty? Alrighty. Now we are ready. Okay, let's do this. So of course we have to add our first color, which is the green color. If you are new watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. All right. There you go. So we will add our first color, which is the white color. There you go. Aha. There you go. So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask or leave us a comment below. Alrighty. So we are simply designing little donuts. I call this little donuts. All right. Little donuts. There you go. So just to add some variation, all right, so we just have to like add other colors. There you go. All right. So just to create a contrast, we will add metallic gold. There you go. And also this Aztec gold. All right, it's from Sargent Art. There you go. Uh-huh. So we will add another color. We are going to add this Artist Loft, okay? Oh, it's very windy. Okay. Uh-huh. Alright. Now we're just gonna add some orange color. Alright, let's do that. And black color. Alrighty. Can you hear that one? It's very, very windy here. Just gonna add some more gold. More gold color. Okay. Nice one. Now we're just gonna add, where's our blue color? Hold on. Should be right here. Alright, so this is the spin, drip, and pour. Okay, let's do that. Let's use this one instead. Okay. Okay, my besties, I think we are now ready. Okay. But you know what? I will be adding some more gold around this one. There you go. There you go, my besties. One more. Okay. So let's do this. You know what? Let's add some more. Let's add green here. Okay. There you go. Nice. Okay, let's, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, dokie. So we will just separate. Okay, separate these two canvases. Put it in the middle, like we always do. Just like so. Put it down, flip the other canvas, and just align them together. And that's it. That's it. Alright, my besties. If you are new watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright. So we have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Press it down, okay? All the corners. Press down all the corners. The middle. Alright. Sides. Middle. Sides. Sides. Press it down. Press it down. Down, 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 down. Alright, now we're ready for our Heimlich maneuver. Or CPR. You do CPR. CPR. Alrighty. See that one? CPR. My besties, don't forget to follow all my TSMA family on smil.com, alright? They're all amazing, amazing singers. Alright, so, and also I would like to do a shout out to all our friends in Australia, alright, who are watching right now, from China, Japan, okay, Canada, and USA. Thank you so much. And also I forgot, India. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube videos. Alright, so massage. Alright, press it down, make sure that it's ready. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait. Alright. Kind of excited now. I'm excited. Okay. Make sure that it's kind of like damp and soak a little bit. You can see. It's kind of like cold, clammy, you know. Cold, clammy kind of. It's like cold, clammy skin. That's dangerous. Then you'll be in shock if you have cold, clammy skin. Ooh, alright. But that's what we want. If we are doing this double reverse dip. Alright. Thank you so much for watching our video tutorial. And if you have like comments, okay, please don't hesitate to comment below. Alright? I'm kind of excited now. Excited. I wonder if we can flip. Oh, it's very heavy. I'm not sure if we can flip it, but we'll see. I'm not sure. I'm scared to flip it because what if it turned out, you know. I'm scared. I'm scared. You know what? We'll see. We'll see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? Oh. Alright. I hope it didn't destroy the artwork. Alright. So make sure also you massage this. Massage the back. Massage the back. Also, my besties, please check out our merch below. Okay? You can actually own a piece of these paintings by buying from our merch. Right. We will have our signature pieces. There you go. Original signature pieces. Alright. So let me know also if you want to buy these paintings. Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so I think we are now ready. I think. Are you ready? Cause me, I'm not yet ready. I'm nervous. I'm nervous, my besties. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kinda nervous, my besties. Whew, kinda excited. How this will turn out. I hope it's nice and, you know, pretty like me. Charing. Joke, joke, joke. Of course, this is your friendly endangered species. Your endangered species. That's too low. My throat hurts. Alright, I think we're ready now. I think we're alone now. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Kind of excited. Alright. I think there's 5 minutes already. Okay, let's, you know what, let's get ready. Get ready, my besties. Okay. And now we have to pull it. Oh, wow, my goodness. It looks like the other one, huh? But this one is cute. It's cuter. Cutie. Cutie pie. Alright, so make sure it is like balanced, okay? Just don't forget to like, you know, if it's too much like that. Just there. Wow. It looks like heaven. If it's too much also, you just have to like put it down a little bit until you achieve the desired design. And then if you're happy, then just let it go. And of course, we have to change our gloves. That's a must. Not Elon, must. Alright, cheering. Okay, my besties. So this is our final, of course, final painting look. Hold on, let me see if I can raise this a little bit more. Oh, it doesn't want it. Okay, I guess we're stuck like that. Or this, probably. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Wow. You see my big nose there. Excuse me, my besties. You're seeing my beautiful nose. The Filipino nose. Let me see. My besties. Alright, so, oh, I forgot my gloves, man. I forgot my gloves. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. So, besties, you just have to grab your air gun, hot gun, whatever gun. Okay, top gun. To remove the excess bubbles. Alright, okay. Wow, I love this one, huh? Oh my god. I love this. Beautiful. This is like the birds of paradise. Yeah, this is what we are going to name this painting. Birds of paradise. It's not red, but it's blue. Birds of paradise. It's blue, green, and purple. Alright. Wow. Alrighty, my besties, look at this. Look at this, eh? Look at this, my besties. Look. How it turned up. Alright, my besties. If you like this video, right, or all the videos, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and comment below. Don't be scared to share. It's free. It's super free to share. Alright. Alright, man. This is super cool. This is super cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Mama mia. Here we go again. How can this be? Mama mia. My bill of my hand is shaking. This one. Look. Look, look, look. Oh my god. Okay. Please. Por favor. Por favor, man. This is so hard. Please. Please. You know what? I've been telling my kids to like all the videos, right? They don't want to like it. I don't know why. That's okay though. You know what? I'm doing this for them. They don't know that. They don't know that. So I don't know. That's why my besties, I need your help. Please, if you don't like this video, it's okay too. You can just push that like button, you know, and subscribe. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Alright. You can also, you know, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Just search the Sexy Music Assassins and you will see us all there on those apps. Alright, my besties, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and comment below. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Wow. I love this. I really love this. How it turned out so cute. Wow. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, my besties.